So today we are going to discuss about a North Polar region, particularly the area is between Arctic Circle to North Pole. You can see here Arctic Circle to North Pole, 90 degrees north. What I shaded, that particular area is a polar region, North Polar region. We have south side also, South Polar region between Antarctic Circle to South Pole. But in this lesson about the North Polar region between Arctic Circle to North Pole. So, polar regions are also called as tundra regions because they are extremely cold regions covered with ice and snow. Very little sunlight we can see there, and vegetation also quite different from our region because most of the months, means 7 to 8 months, you can see there is no sunlight. Particularly in November, December, January, extreme winter months, total darkness 24 hours you can see there. Due to that, different kinds of vegetation you can see there. If you observe in summer months of polar regions, particularly tundra regions, only in summer, not in winter. Winter there is no sunlight, so you can't see such kind of plants. Okay, only in summer season, due to little bit sunlight, due to that ice is melting, little bit soils what we have in that area, we can see multicolored plants and some lichens, shrubs and grass, and some kind of fruits like berries are grown there. Okay, and most of the soil we can see in a frozen manner, a rock like state, that is known as a permafrost. So permafrost is nothing but better soil is in a frozen manner, it looks like a rock like state. Okay, so we can say tundra region is a treeless, mostly treeless, because in winter months due to extreme cold, due to not having sunlight, the trees will die. If you observe the seasons, we have 2 seasons in a tundra region. In our region we have 3 seasons, summer, winter, rainy, but in a tundra region we have only 2 seasons, winter and summer. Winter mostly 7 to 9 months, then summer 3 to 4 months. First we will learn about winter season. Winters are extreme cold. The atmosphere or the temperature, the climate, if you observe, extreme cold climate we can see there, because sometimes it is recorded minus 20, minus 30, minus 40 temperature also. That much extreme cold climate see in the winter season in the polar regions, and there is no sunlight for the particularly 3 months. Extreme winter seasons in a tundra regions are November, December, January. November, December, January we can see extreme cold, there is no sunlight, total darkness, and during that November, December, January, the water bodies, particularly rivers or surrounding oceans and seas also, we can see in a frozen manner. Next, cold winds we can see in the winter months. Instead of rainfall, there we can see the snowfall in winter months, snowfalls, and birds, animals will migrate in winter months from there to outer areas, particularly near to the coastal areas, and plants will die. Summer months starts with February ending or March. Just 1 hour sunrise you can see at that time. Remaining 23 hours there is a dark. Next, gradually it changes into 2 hours sunshine, then 6 hours, then 8 hours, like that. In April ending we can see 16 hours a daytime and remaining night time. When it comes to May month, May, June, July, but that particular 3 months, you can see 24 hours sun rising, means there is no night time. Even in 24 hours sun rising or sun giving some temperature, but the sun does not go up high. Just it is at the starting level where the sun rises at one stage. That stage only we can see the sun. Sun is not overhead, and we can't get much temperature even in summer also. In summer, what we have ice cover that is melting and flowing like some rivers. Even though in seas and oceans the ice is melting, ice is changing into big blocks called icebergs. So icebergs are floating in the ocean area. A big mass of ice is floating in oceans and seas that we call as icebergs.